Contact logs are used to record and maintain reference-worthy notes to aid in clarification of a situation for documentation of a conversation or updates, and can be easily linked documents or associated notes by keeping all Compass users on the same page. Contact logs can be used for documentation purposes on individuals, chapters, association, universities, campaigns, and on companies. I will show you where contact logs are located on the individual and chapter's record, as well as how to add a new contact log. To start, we're going to look at individuals. From the summary snapshot page on an individual's record, recent contact logs can be reviewed and new contact logs can be entered. To start, simply click the Add button. Choose whether the contact log is normal or fundraising in nature. We will look at the normal contact logs in this webinar. Fundraising contact logs are only viewable by those with fundraising access. Choose a contact log type. Contact log types are established and maintained within the admin section. Enter a contact date, the date that the contact did take place. Now this can be edited if the date is not as of today. And then your entry. This is where you actually record your notes. We do have the section or field contacted by. This is only if applicable. For example, if you have a headquarters staff member who calls the individual's record who we're looking at, the contact log would appear on Joseph's record, and the contacted by would be the staff member. If there are other individuals whose record the same note should be referenced on, you can enter their name in the reference box. The search feature will activate and the person or multiple people can be selected from the matches. Once you click the Create Entry Log, it will stamp the notes on the individual's record, which you can see here at the bottom. All contact logs on an individual's record can be searched from the Communications tab under Contact Log. You can also add new contact logs from here as well. I do want to point out the down arrow for attachments. So by clicking on this, that will give users the ability to upload documents that are stored on their machine. For an example, if a person has received a certification of recognition, you can actually attach a copy of that document on their contact log. Now we're going to take a look at the change log on an individual's record. From the summary page, you'll see change logs. Now, ChangeLog audits changes made to data fields within the individual's record. The default date range is 1 year, but users do have the ability to change that range if necessary. From this screen, you'll see the date changed, change type, which data field, the data from and to, and then the source. Now you'll notice we do have a revert button, so users do have the ability to revert any changes they see fit. Now let's take a look at the chapter's records. Within chapters, contact logs are added the same way they are within people, via the summary snapshot page, click Add, or under Communications, Contact Log. I do want to point out when you're adding a new contact log for the references, you can reference a person while on a person's record, and you can reference a person or multiple people while on a chapter. However, you cannot reference a chapter while on a person's record. And just like audit logs on the individual's record will be the same for the change logs on a chapter's record. This will audit changes made on any data field within the chapter's record. The default year range is 1 year. This can be changed as necessary. You will see the date changed, change type, the data field, data from, to, the source of the change, and users may also revert any changes. Now we'll review how to configure contact logs, custom field types, and award types under Admin from your international or national section, contact log types. Once you click on that link, you will see a list of all available types for your organization. From this page, you can add, edit, deactivate, and delete as needed. You are only able to delete contact log types that have not been used. Fundraising specific custom fields are removed from view if you don't have access. Simply click the Add button to add a new contact log type, and then you would select the classification. From your international and national menu, let's take a look at custom fields. So from here, you'll see a list of all the available fields for your organization. You can add, edit, and delete these fields as needed. From the Add button, users have the ability to configure the following fields. Your field name, which means the custom field name. Your description or tooltip. Now this is free entry and will only display if you hover over that field. You would select the classification, your field type, the data type, and if you would like to have a default value. Once you have these fields configured, simply click Create Custom Field. The same will go for your award types as well. So by clicking on award types, this will show you all the available awards for your organization. You can add, edit, and delete as needed. When you're ready to add a new award, simply click Add, enter the award name and classification, and then create award type. You can edit custom fields, add awards, and add contact logs en masse using the action function under a performing a people search. You can actually do those 3 items under the actions all en masse at one time. That completes today's webinar. If you have any questions, please contact your National Services Coordinator. Thanks for watching.